So I'm here at the Isokangas nature reserve area. And there's a trail around 10 kilometers long, which I'm planning to do today. And as you can see, there are some others here as well. There's another car right there. But I took the craziness up a notch and came with the bike. I'm here around an hour later than I planned to because of the trail wasn't that clear. I tried to come with the Google Maps here, but it didn't quite work. It showed me roads that weren't even there. Told me to turn left and turn right, even though there was no where to turn. I already look like been through like a through hike, but no, it's just the bike ride was a bit bumpy. Yeah, so I'm here at the starting spot. There's a lake and there's a little trail as the campground, the fire, and it's taken, so I'm gonna take another place. Been on the trail for around 3 minutes, and then I find these guys. Oh, kills me to leave these here. Not here for the mushrooms today, so I'll just leave them here for somebody else to pick. You can probably tell the trail isn't the easiest. There's a sign over there that I didn't even see when I was coming from all the way there. And the markings are right, supposed to go that way, but we'll see. Super pretty spruce forest. As the spruce forest is there where I came from, it turned right into a pine forest. So cool to see the landscape changing. So word of advice on a trail. It's really good to have some quick sugar or energy to carry with you. So these are my favorite thing right now on the trail. Cliff blocks. New flavor for me. It's margarita citrus. And so yummy and so full of energy. Yeah, so as there are not too many fireplaces with the shed or the lean-tos, so decided to have a break here. Just got the fire going and now gonna have some lunch / dinner. Okay, so it's raining a little bit, keeping the fire going. As I'll do that, I have my dinner. I could say dinner already. This is blowband camp meal or outdoor meal. Foundation partioita. And of course, my very own funnel chanterelle. a little bit more to go, and it got dark really fast as the sun sets, like around 4 p.m. around this time of year, and I didn't consider that, so I have to go the rest of the walk in a little bit darker. Hopefully I won't slip and fall. Some of the dog boards are really in bad condition around here, like cracking under your feet and just really not in that good shape, so hopefully that will fix it at some point. Whew, what a trip. So yeah, just got home, took a quick hot shower, and now just gonna have my cup of hot chocolate in my Yeti cup. And yeah, so a little reflection of the day. I went through the Isokangas route, and I didn't go for the orange or the green area, but maybe someday. Yeah, quick note to self, check the sundown time before you go to hike, because I ended up biking home in a pitch dark, but it was okay. I had a good day. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.